With over 30,000 ramen shops in Japan and so many variations, I've decided to share this recipe. Chicken ramen noodles in a broth. The ultimate winter recipe. Sweet, tangy, spicy, and the best part, you can slip up those noodles. I've been super intrigued by these Japanese recipes. This is my way, so let's get started. To a pot, add about 1/3 cup of sunflower oil. To this, add in half to 1 teaspoon of red chili paste and 1 teaspoon of fine salt. Mix and allow to heat on high. Once the oil starts to bubble, add in the chicken fillet, and here I am using 500 grams of chicken fillet. These have been cut into strips and allow this to cook until no water remains. In a separate pot, I'm going to be adding 6 teaspoons of chicken stock. This is the powdered version. And to the 6 teaspoons, I'm going to add in 6 cups of boiling water. Mix this and leave aside. To a wok or any deep-based pan, add in 2 tablespoons of butter. Then add in 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, and 2 teaspoons of ginger paste. Allow the butter to melt and these ingredients to simmer on low heat. Once it starts to sizzle, add in the broth that we made earlier with the chicken stock and water. Stir and allow to simmer on medium heat for about 5 minutes. Then we're going to add in a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of sweet and sour soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of light brown sugar, 1 to 2 tablespoons of sriracha sauce depending on how strong or how spicy you want the broth. Add in 2 packets of the noodles into the broth and also add in the chicken that we cooked earlier. Doing this will allow the chicken and the noodles to absorb all the water and all the spices and flavors from the broth. This will make the chicken and the noodles more flavorful and delicious. Close the lid of the wok or the pan and allow this to steam for about 5 to 10 minutes until the noodles become soft like so. Toss them around in the pan so that they're not square and that it's easier to serve. This is best served while still extremely hot. To serve, add in some chicken into a bowl, then add in some noodles. The portion depends on how much you want to serve. Some like more noodles, some like more chicken. And of course, some the sweet and sour broth, which I thought was great for winter. Garnish this with some spring onions, some sliced carrots for that extra crunch. Adding a boiled egg is also an option, but my family chooses not to have it. And that's the reason I've left it out. I must say, if you want some extra spice, add in some chili oil, which just adds to the spiciness of the dish. Do give my way of this recipe a try and let me know in the comments how it turned out for you. This will indeed become one of your favorite winter recipes, especially if you like soups. I certainly can't wait to hear from you regarding this recipe. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, hitting that notification bell. This way you will be informed of all my new recipes uploaded on my channel. Catch you in the next vlog.